If you're looking to schedule your emails in Outlook, you're in the right place. I'm going to show you how to schedule the email. I'm also going to show you how to delay an email. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first method involves you going into your browser and dialing in outlook.live.com, and from here you can go up to new mail. You can click on new mail, type in your recipient, add a subject, and fill out the body section of your mail. And just next to send, you will see a little drop down menu, and here it says schedule send. Now once you click on schedule send, you can either schedule it tomorrow morning at a specific time, Sunday morning at a specific time, or custom time. Here you can choose the date that you'd like to schedule this email to be sent, as well as a time, and then you can click on send. Now this will be sent at the time that you have chosen. Now, if you're using your Outlook app, there are two ways here that we can do this. So if we're clicking on new email, and this is now the old layout, once you have typed out your mail and you've added a recipient, you want to go over to options. And in options, you'll find a delay delivery just to the right-hand side. Now, in here, you can choose do not deliver before and choose a date as well as a time. Now make sure that the do not deliver before is checked in blue and click on close. Now what will happen is this mail will go ahead and sit in your outbox. What you need to know is that when you are scheduling or delaying this delivery time, you'll need to be logged in to actually have this mail sent. So once you log in again, you'll have to go into your Outbox and click on the send and receive, and this will then be sent, given that it is after the delayed delivery date that you entered in here. And there you go, folks. You have now got a few ways of scheduling your emails on Outlook. If this was helpful, you can go ahead and drop us a like, and we will see you next time.